What's going on, everybody? Wayne's Workshop here. Bit of a different format video this time. I wanted to try out some Alclad 2 lacquers on some foam that I got pretty shiny using Flexbond and Plastidip because I never used this, and I can't really find anything on the internet that people actually used Alclads on foam or foam treated with Plastidip or whatever. And before I want to test this out first before I use it on my bob helmet that's also made out of foam and covered in Plastidip. I don't know how it will respond, so I figured I'd just make a test piece and make a video of it so that if it is successful or unsuccessful, that people at least have that information. So I got my airbrush ready, my Alclads, a couple of different bottom feed jars so I can have separate jars for like thinner and the clear coat. The clear coat I also have, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. As with apparently standard with Alclads, you have to really shake them. So yeah, let's try out some things and we'll see how it responds to foam, and we'll do a flex test and see if it cracks. It probably will crack, but yeah, let's try it out and see where we land. Okay, so I placed it on a Lazy Susan and used some tape to mask off, so I kind of want some sharp lines to differentiate between the colors. So this is Alclad 2 steel on EVA foam covered in Plastidip. There we go. Alright. So that's one layer, no weird reactions so far. We're going to let this dry a bit and hit it up with a second coat and then remove the tape. So I just applied a second coat. Still no reactions to Plastidip, so that's good. It's looking kind of like a dark gray, but yeah, well, still metal. I'd almost say gunmetal gray, but has that nice sheen to it as long as your bottom coat does have a shine to it. And this is only 2 layers of Plastidip, opposed to my bob helmet that has like 5 layers of Flexbond, which is kind of shiny, and also 5 layers of Plastidip, gloss black, so that's why it's like super shiny. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove the tape. No paint creep underneath. And you can see, let me put a sharp. So yeah, that's the Plastidip black and the Alclad 112, I think, steel. I'm gonna tape up this side now and do that side stainless steel, and I hope that is like super shiny. So now the stainless steel on Plastidip foam. Thin layer at first and let it dry for a bit. Alright, so we got steel, Plastidip still, and the stainless steel. It still kept its fair shine, which is nice. And now I want to see when treating it with the clear coat, and I'll try to set the light settings down so it's less of a gloss and you can see the final look of it. So clear coat on all 3 and see if there's a reaction. Alright, so it has been an hour. The shine is pretty apparent. It looks really nice. It's of course a bit less on the steel colors, rather dark. It still has some shine to it. It's more apparent on the camera. Adjusted some of the light sensitivity of the camera. But yeah, it's still pretty shiny. Now let's see for a nice close-up. Now let's see if it is going to crack. And it does not. Let's see. So far so good. Okay, but I'm pressing it and I can see my fingerprint, so it's not all the way dry yet. Let's try that on the steel. It's kind of unsharp. There we go. So this is after an hour of drying, and it is not cracking. Let's try that stainless steel. Let's really bend it. So that's good. My fingerprint might be the dip that it always will happen. Oh no, it's just in the foam. So yeah, it is dry, and it has quite a lot of stretch to it. I'll let it dry some more. If it happens to crack later, I'll put that in a pinned comment below this video. So check out the pinned comment if it cracked after all. But yeah, as far as I can see, Alclad lacquers work fine on plasti-dipped foam. There is no reaction. And yeah, I'm gonna paint my Bob helmet now. So yeah, quick video on testing Alclad lacquers on plasti dipped foam. There is no reaction. There is a lot of stretch in it from the looks of it. So yeah, this works perfect, and I'm excited to finish my Bob helmet now. So for any of you who want to try out these Alclad lacquers, yeah, well, it works on foam and plasti dip. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks again for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. If you learned something from the video, please share this within your cosplay groups to also help your fellow cosplayer. We also have a Ko-fi account. Please consider donating a coffee. This helps support and grow the channel. Link in the description. Thank you so much.